trainer, motivator, speaker, and but I tell you, after coming into this system and today, I'm super motivated. Super motivated in sense, we had seen the pictures, the building, the office, and it looked real. But now here, after coming here, we feel it real. Telling everybody it's a different feeling, my feeling from inside, and those positive people who we are all sitting here, and at this pandemic time we have still come here. I would like to thank firstly Jassi sir, who had pursued behind me from last 1 year, and I had rejected the proposal, and again 6 months back when we got in touch, I just researched. At that time we had just a Bangalore office, and that was also not very clear, not very sure, and Jassi sir also had not visited there. So that was a very big question mark, but I don't know why the feeling came in, and I said yes, and slowly the feeling got inside, and what happened was the power which we started getting and the positive people which came in. And when I started the webinar, people were accepting what is there, but with a pace. I know Mangiram ji was there, and all the leaders, particularly leaders from the Leadership Council, I would like to thank them. KD Shukla ji for carrying the flag which I started, daily webinar, which for some reason I have some work, I have to take a break, but he did it every day. A salute to him, and really a feeling. Dushminder Singh Gilan, who knew me first, had pursued Jassi sir and told them that, and I have the feeling of a family. Today also when we meet all the staff here, it is so wonderful, and I'm definitely charged up, and I'm sure that this is going to happen. It is a historic thing, and this is going to take us very far. Since the time limit is there, I won't be able to speak much, but believe me, I won't be able to thank personally, but all who have come here, those 28 people, these rock stars are working from their heart, and the staff from my side, and Mangiram ji I had forgotten to thank, and from all the side of our side to the staff here, thank you so much. You are so polite, cordial, forceful, and the man behind Mr. Ash Mufarah, I don't know, as Modi sir said that where the energy comes from, he doesn't know. Actually, I will say God knows, because God only can give that energy, nobody else can give. And such a positive man, such a positive thinking, I salute him really, and I'm sure we are going to reach great heights. Thank you so much. We are in it to win it.